How are you today? Today we are going to be reading a story, and then afterwards I am going to show you a step-by-step how to draw a bear. So after the story, you'll need something to write with and a piece of paper or something to write on. Okay, so Brown Bear by Eric Carle. If you know the words, go ahead and say them with me. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? Oh, do you remember everything they saw? Okay. We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Okay, so go ahead and tell me which animal was your favorite. Good. My favorite would have to be between a green frog and a purple cat because those are my two favorite colors. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to do a step-by-step drawing. So if you want to go grab a piece of paper and something to write with, you can pause the video and go do that now. Now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you are going to want to do is we are going to make the head of our bear. So I'm going to go around just like so. Do you see that? Okay. Step 2 is we're going to make his nose. Now we need to make it about right here in the middle of his face. So I'm going to just go down, around, and across just like that. Okay. The next step, we need to make this little part where his nose is separated and then his mouth. So we're going to go down, and you can either go straight across or you could make kind of like an upside down U, how we did here. I'm going to go straight across, just like so. Good job. Now we are going to make that definition around his nose and his mouth, so you can see his snout is sticking out, okay? So I'm going to go all the way around, just like that. Good job. Okay, so now we need to draw something that the bear really needs, and those are his eyes. How many eyes does a bear have? Good, 2, just like us. So I'm going to put one eye right here and the other eye right there. Oops, let me fix that. Okay, there we go, a little better. Okay, so there are his eyes. Now I'm going to draw the inside, the black part of his eyes. And I can color it in because I have this marker, but you can use your crayon or whatever you're using to color in his eyes, like so. Next thing we're going to draw is his ears. How many ears does the bear have? Good. I'm going to draw one ear here and here, and then I'm going to go inside just like that. And we have made ourselves a bear. So you could make yours into any type of bear you want. You could make a polar bear, a black bear, We could either even make our brown bear that we just made. And if you draw it, you can go ahead and upload it into the comments when you're finished. I would love to see all of your bear drawings. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you soon.